Sudan, a country of historical magnificence and beauty. A vast land of desert and sun, Sudan is now creating a new age for itself through its capital, Khartoum, and the modern form of the Faizel Islamic Bank of Sudan headquarters and cultural centre. Faizel Cultural Centre, a new cultural urban icon. The Faizel Islamic Bank of Sudan headquarters and cultural centre, located in the business district of Khartoum, is not only a representation of a global financial leader, but as an ideal future in Northeast Africa. The proposed architectural design expresses a vision of Faizel Islamic Bank's highly regarded corporate identity that is also inspirational and memorable to its users. Defined as a new urban icon among the financial and commercial headquarters, it will further delineate the capital as a highly visible and strategically appealing building. As a 21st century financial and cultural centre solution, it combines the timeless image of modern architecture with a long-lasting reflection of Islamic cultural appearance. The design boasts dramatic double-height lobbies upon ground-level entrance and combines the programs throughout its upper floors in a resourceful and well-planned manner. The library forms a modern institution designed for all ages and education backgrounds. It has the capacity to expand from an exclusive research facility to an all-inclusive public resource, providing learning opportunities to not only employees but the general Sudanese public as well. The FCC looks to create an inspirational learning environment through its state-of-the-art building and integrated traditional and up-to-date design elements. The library responds to the digital age challenge while being publicly accessible to all users. The white and blue Niles, the dominant geographic feature of Sudan, converge at the spot where the Faizel Islamic Bank of Sudan headquarters and the FCC site are located. The project site is to be in the central business district area of Khartoum and is expected to have good access approach as it is situated in close proximity with the main transportation links. The site is surrounded by the most renowned and leading modern architecture of Khartoum. FCC's office tower is open towards the northeast view where no high-rise buildings exist but the People's Public Garden is sited. This provides distinct view opportunities for its employees as they directly face the Blue Nile from inside. The current views show the great potential this site has. The design of the bank and FCC are to be seen as a corporate icon traced into the surrounding central business district skyline and aims to become a notable feature within its respective urban settings. An open rooftop above the conference hall takes advantage of these views, particularly to the White Nile, whilst creating a unique and dramatic setting. The siting of the Faizel Islamic Bank, located at a large intersection where Gamma Avenue begins, is strategically significant within the expanding Khartoum business district, as it is in close proximity to the El Shahid Mosque and other financial and commercial headquarters. The site has an area of 2,733 metres, with a total floor area of 30,240 metres. This puts the building ratio at 75% for its 16 floors. The office tower reaches 18.5 metres high above ground level, with 95 parking spaces available below grade. Similarly to the two Nile rivers, the Faizel Islamic Bank and FCC are designed as two separate entities which converge into one. Their programs are separated within the two forms, the office tower for banking and business, and the cultural centre for learning and education. Between these different forms hangs the bridge and podium, where the confluence of the programs merge between public and private. The form derives from its surrounding conditions. The Great Niles, convergence, and the Islamic context create visual and subtle links to the form of the FCC. The design responds to the local external environment whilst considering an architectural function of the program and providing modern comfort to the end users. The strategy of this project is to develop and create a sustainable modern approach to its environmental efficiency and programming. The Faizel Islamic Bank and FCC are mainly composed of two masses connected by another linking object which bridges these forms. The libraries and auditorium are contained within the rounded form of the first mass, indicating inspiration and innovation in knowledge and learning, whilst the modern tower form holds the more corporate business and banking offices. The connection levels provide space for the conference hall and eating areas, which can be opened to provide shaded outdoor seating. The separated circulations for the two distinctive programs, Office and Cultural Centre, are designed to better accommodate the user environment. The IT administration and Treasury department are provided on the first basement floor as required. Exhibition rooms and storage are also located next to the void area, open to the ground floor in order to create a pleasing environment and diffuse natural daylight, suitable for exhibition installations. Lobbies for the Cultural Centre and the Office Tower are planned separately, creating ample and sufficient space for the users. The main bank branches are located at this level for ease of public access. The first floor provides a blend of programs which can be accessed through either the Office Tower or Cultural Centre. The Business Centre is located as part of the FCC, but designed to be used freely by both entrepreneurs and the public. The adjacent prayer room, facing in the direction of Mecca, can equally serve all users. The Cultural Centre Library is designed as an innovative and inspiring hub of learning for all members of the public. From its second to fourth floors, the levels are connected with gently sloping ramps around a crescent-shaped void, providing an immediate visual orientation to all the library's activities, as well as working to bring natural light deep into the interior spaces. Double-height auditorium and conference halls can be used intermittently and are planned appropriately apart from the library zone in order not to interrupt other activity movements. The conference room supports a flexible layout system which can be used to accommodate functions in various arrangements, such as conference or banquet layouts. Sufficient resting area is provided outside the conference hall with large windows giving panoramic views. 4 separate lecture halls, each with space for more than 30 people, can be expanded to form double-sized rooms by opening interior partitions. The 8th floor features a cultural library combining a reading room and cafe. The roof garden can be accessed at this level, providing space for shaded outdoor reading and refreshments in a unique location. The restaurant, located on the 8th and 9th floors, also has potential to use this open space and take advantage of the stunning views along both the Blue and White Niles. Prayer rooms are distributed across 2 floors, the 1st and the 9th, for good accessibility. The prayer room on the 9th floor of the FCC ensures a quiet and calm environment adequate for praying, whilst the office tower contains meeting and guest rooms. Certain office floors include void areas open to the levels above. This allows for increased natural lighting and a higher quality working environment. Executive and director rooms are provided on the very top floor, ensuring full views along the Blue Nile. Multiple variations of the concept porosity, which produces positive effects appropriate for the Sudanese environment, are implemented into the proposed design. The porosity theme is interpreted differently in the 2 different masses. For the FCC, as the programme pursues a more traditional and cultural atmosphere, the Islamic pattern is applied, while the facade of the bank office is translated in a more modern way. Advanced technologies and materials are combined to create architecturally detailed and sustainable envelopes. Low-E, frit and U-glass are all used to create protection from the hot climate whilst allowing daylight into the interior. The Faizo Islamic Bank and FCC are carefully designed to combine its many programs and users in an intuitive and realistic manner. 2 separate lobbies are provided, one for the public use and the other for the employees and bank users. Void spaces are left open throughout the building section to allow for a higher quality interior environment and full use of natural daylighting. The office tower uses custom unitized windows, which are constructed primarily of double glazing with an integral sunshading system in between. This creates a suitable interior environment whilst giving the tower its modern facade design. The The office tower uses custom unitized windows, which are constructed primarily of double glazing with an integral sunshading system in between. This creates a suitable interior environment whilst giving the tower its modern facade design. The sophisticatedly designed envelope of the cultural centre grants economic benefits by saving energy, as the layers of Islamic pattern structure formulate small apertures that diffuse the daylight and mitigate heat gain. The delicate facade also sets the indoor quality as the natural lighting becomes milder, providing a soft and pleasant interior ambience. The facade simulations led the design of the building through analysing its daylight, solar radiation, CFD and shadow properties. Our sustainability strategy for the implementation of a green building includes integrated design, save energy and green place. All of the green design strategies applied to the Faisul Islamic Bank will help save energy and minimise the environmental impact. The facade simulations led the design of the building through analysing its daylight, solar radiation, CFD and shadow properties. A self-shading mass, highly reflective envelope material, horizontal and vertical louvers, blinds and high-performance windows will all provide decreased cooling loads during the summertime. Our sustainability strategy for the implementation of a green building includes integrated design, save energy and green place. All of the green design strategies applied to the Faisul Islamic Bank will help save energy and minimise the environmental impact. The facade simulations led the design of the building through analysing its daylight, solar radiation, CFD and shadow properties. A self-shading mass, highly reflective envelope material, horizontal and vertical louvers, blinds and high-performance windows will all provide decreased cooling loads during the summertime. Various structural systems will be in place for the different building's masses. These will include building frame, truss and a special system for the dome of the conference centre. The mechanical system sets its emphasis on environmentally friendly and low-energy optimised performance systems. Primary heating equipments and air conditioning services have all been carefully considered, whilst the building uses an easily maintainable automatic system and digital broadcasting service. After consideration, the civil and construction work has been chosen to use a diaphragm wall as a retaining method, a strut system as the lateral support, and board piles for the foundations. The electrical services will be based upon a design emphasis of creating a stable and sustainable power supply system for maintaining building services at all times.